Before diving into the code, let's first set up our environment properly. So for that, you have to copy this repo link, open terminal, and here you have to write git clone and paste your link. So it will set up a folder project here, and inside the GenAI end-to-end folder, you will see a Hello World program folder. So for that, you have to change your directory to GenAI end-to-end Hello World program. So here we have a README file. In the README file, you will find all the steps mentioned here. So firstly, we will create a virtual environment for that. And throughout the project, we are using UV. UV is a Python package manager. It is very fast as compared to pip. So we will use UV, VENV, create our environment. So now to activate our environment, we have to run this script. As you can see, our Hello World program environment is activated successfully. So now we have to install all the dependencies inside the project.toml file. So for that, we have to run uvsync command. It will take some seconds. Meanwhile, we can see how to configure environment variable .env file. So in .env file, we are using Google API key. So you can copy it as it is and create a new .env file for that .env file. Inside this, you have to paste this and your Gemini key. You can create your Gemini key using this link. It is a quite simple process. Now you can see all our dependencies are installed successfully. Okay, so we will run our Python project using this command. It will also take some seconds to execute. Meanwhile, we can understand what our code does. So the script will load our doc file from the data folder and split it into 1000 character chunks and generate embeddings using Hugging Face model mini-LM. Then stores vector in phase index and finally use Gemini to answer the query. Here we have sample query, what is LangChain? So here is our output. The question is, what is LangChain? And the final answer is in the JSON format. Having query, what is LangChain? And result, having the LLM response. So now we will move forward to understand how the code is working properly. So here are some imports which you will identify how they are associated with our code. Load.env loads the .env file so we can safely access our API key without hard coding it. This part of code loads this part of code loads the doc.txt file from the data folder. This code is for chunking. Long texts are broken into smaller manageable pieces using a character-based splitter. Each chunk is 1000 characters long with no overlap. We use a compact but powerful Hugging Face model mini-LM to convert each text chunk into vector form. Here we are storing our chunks into the vector database using the FAS. It is an efficient vector store developed by Facebook for similarity search. We save our document vectors into it. Now we will initialize our language model Gemini 1.5 Flash. It is lightweight, fast, and ideal for question answering. Here we connect everything into a retrieval QA chain. This means when we ask a question, the model first retrieves the most relevant chunk from our document before answering. Finally, we ask a sample question, what is LangChain? And the model retrieves relevant content and responds intelligently. And that is how you build a simple retrieval augmented generation system using Gemini and LangChain. Clean, modular, and production ready. See you in the next one. Thank you.